Now, if you want to sell a digital product on Etsy in 2026, I need you to stop opening Canva. Most creators spend weeks designing beautiful digital planners, journals, or even guides only to list them and hear absolutely crickets. Why? Because they are actually designing first and are actually researching later. They build things nobody is actually searching for. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually completely flip that script. We are going to use Claude AI actually as a highly paid SEO market analyst to find a high search, low competition product and also outline the entire thing before we ever design a single page. I actually spend a lot of time reading creator forums and the frustration is always the same. People are exhausted. They are actually burning out trying to guess what the market wants. The problem with using AI to fix this is that most people give it terrible prompts. If you just ask an AI for Etsy product ideas, it will give you the same generic list of 10 planners it gives everyone else. We need to force the AI to actually interview you first. Now, I want you to notice something, or maybe I'm going to use Claude for free, like I'm using the free version, and I'm gonna give the prompt that I have already actually written. If you want this prompt, I'll leave all of them in my description. And you can see I'm gonna tell Claude AI, you are a world-class Etsy. Let me just mark so that you guys can see. You are a world-class Etsy SEO market analyst and digital product expert. I want to build a best-selling digital product, but before giving me any ideas, you must interview me using 3 questions. Ask them one at a time and wait for my answer. What is a broad topic I'm acknowledgeable or passionate about? What is my ideal target customer? What is my current skill level with design tools like Canva? And once I have answered all the 3, analyze current market trends and provide 3 high search, low competition digital product ideas. For the best idea, provide an SEO optimized title, 5 long tail keywords, and a step-by-step page outline for the product. Okay, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna click here. Okay, just like that. You can just tap enter, and then you're gonna see what it's gonna produce. Now I want you to see how this works, how Claude is so perfect in this. And you can see it is actually reading my prompt carefully. Once it is reading my prompt, it is actually start working on the question. You can see this is the questions that I have to answer, and it is still working on it. And you guys, this is super amazing because it's gonna help you in so many ways. And if you can see here, the first question is here. Let's just read. Let's kick this off, and I'll ask you these questions one at a time so I can give you the most targeted product ideas possible. Here is the question 1, product idea details. Question 1 up to 3. What is a broad topic you are knowledgeable or passionate about? Okay, you can choose any of these, okay, or even skip, but for the best part you have to choose this one. So it is saying what is a broad topic you are knowledgeable or passionate about. You can choose AI tools and digital income, expert life, living abroad, Afrocentric motherhood and family. Let's say I want this one. Okay, and then next question, I'll just click next question and it's gonna give me the next question. So let's see the next question, how it goes. You can see it is even thinking with you and also researching for you, and it even tells you, I love it, that strong niche with massive search demand right now on the question 2. Now on the question 2, this is what it's gonna ask me. As you can see, we are just going to go slowly so that you guys can understand how this powerful is and how you can actually utilize it. And you can see the question number 2, it asks, who is your ideal target customer? You can choose beginner side hustlers, freelancer and content creators, or maybe stay at home moms, mompreneur expert. Okay, for me, I'm gonna just choose this one because mostly my content is about stay at home moms and also mompreneurs. Even for beginner sites hustler, but I prefer this one. So I'm going to answer so that it can give me the next question. And you can see, guys, the next question. Let's see. I think this is the last question. Perfect. Mompreneur, highly motivated and the deserve buy on Etsy. One last question. Let's see the next question, which Claude can actually ask for us depending on what you give. Now it asks, what is your current skill level with design tools like Canva? Is it beginner, advanced, or intermediate? I'm going to just say intermediate to see, and then I'm going to click here, get my product ideas. Okay, so let's see how Claude AI gonna actually analyze everything. And you guys, I want you to notice something. It actually walks you through everything and also even gives you the motivation you need. Okay, so it says all the three answers in. Let me run the analysis and research. So it's gonna go ahead and do the analysis, or maybe it's gonna start analyzing everything, okay, for me, and building the entire product for us. As simple as that. And let's see what it's gonna create. Now after a few minutes, you can see it has actually given me all the three products, and it has actually given me the ideas, the product ideas, and you can see it has even ranked it. And the first idea is AI side hustle, or maybe the first product that we should create is AI side hustle starter kit for moms. It is a printable, flippable PDF toolkit that walks moms through launching a digital income stream using free AI tools. Also, it includes a 30-day action plan, AI prompt cheat sheets, income trackers, and Canva template guide. It is actually priced $12 or maybe to $22. Buildable in Canva at intermediate level. And you can see it says it has a high demand and also it has a low competition. The next product that actually Claude AI has created for us, it is ChatGPT prompt pack for busy moms. High demand, medium competition. 100 copy paste ChatGPT prompts organized by user guess. Content creation, Etsy listing writing, social media captions, meal planning, and business emails. Clean PDF layout, easy to create, evergreen appeal, and buyers return for update packs. And it actually gives us the price range, which is from $7 to $15. It's gonna be in a PDF format, and also build time, it is only 1 to 2 days, and then you build it. And then the third product Claude is giving us is actually Mompreneur content calendar plus Canva kit. It is a 90-day social media content calendar specifically I'm not pronouncing this word well, for moms building a digital business, bundled with 10 editable Canva post templates. Actually, it is Canva, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, niche plus design bundle higher. Okay, it actually prices at $15 to $29, a PDF plus Canva template. The build time is actually 4 to 6 days. It is on high demand and medium competition. And then it tells us best pick dive AI side hustle starter kit for moms. This is the best one that it is actually recommending us to build. So you can see it gonna help us to do what? If you want, you can go ahead and build together this. As you can see here, build it with me, ready to build all these products. And even it actually gives us product page outline that we need to actually use for this specific product. Example, if we want to actually dive into actually building this entire product with you guys, or maybe you use Claude AI to build it, what you want to do is actually just create here, like click here, build it with me, and you can see it's gonna start building with you. Okay, let's get this kit build. Before I map out all the Canva layouts, play and checklist, it's gonna give us everything. Let me just not go through all of it, but you can see as you are following up, you will see, or maybe you will notice, let me go back here, you will notice it's gonna do the researching, it's gonna do the checking front-end design skills for everything. So let's give it a minute and see what it's gonna create. Now, as you can see, guys, it has actually created the entire kit for us. You can see this is all of it we're going to be using in Canva. And you can see it has created even the Canva page the layout structure. It has given us everything, and then you can just click through the next page, which is page number 2. This is what we're going to be using in Canva. And then it even copy paste in this welcome. This is what we're going to be copy pasting in. And then it has given the page number 3, which is top AI 5 tools overview. All of them, they are here. Okay, and then the next page. So this is an 8-page PDF we're going to be building in Canva, and I just wanted to let you know how you can easily use this. So all the pages are here up to page number number 8, which is this one, the resource page. Okay, and the kit is complete, ready to use full. Write to write the full copy of each page. You can simply write all copy here, and then we can do that if you want, like that. But as you can see, everything is done, and that is how you make. You can simply simply do what, copy paste in Canva and start designing your product instead of you staring at a blank page. Doing what, utilizing these AI tools and also the prompt. I'm gonna leave them in my description. Okay guys, now when I finally open Canva, I'm not actually staring at a blank page feeling overwhelmed, because I'm gonna just copy paste the exact outline Claude gave me into a template. I know this product has demand, and I know exactly how to actually title it so it gets found. So guys, if you are tired of guessing what you will sell, you need to use this workflow. I have packaged this exact prompt plus 10 other highly advanced AI prompts for keyword research, competitor analysis, and also listing description into the ultimate Etsy product ideation pack. You can grab it right now from my shop using the link in the description. Stop guessing and also start researching, and let your system do the heavy lifting. Don't forget to actually subscribe, as well as don't forget to actually share this video to anyone who needs it. And I will see you next in my next videos. Comment below prompts, and I'm gonna send you the full package. Okay,